Hello! Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the front hook. I use a different one from original. The original is fine, it's just that the original let my handlebar too close to the floor. And this one makes it a little bit higher. So it's better to push on, to push the Brompton to move around. Oh, if you're new to the channel, let me tell you what happened. I've been using this other one for a year already. It's not perfect. It does break if you live in the Brompton when you travel. And I just been to New York and I forgot to take it out in the way back. Thanks. Was in the way back. Was all packed, the Brompton was ready to go because I forgot, because I rode the whole day long around New York and
Hi, Times Square.
And look for COVID test because it was COVID time, and I got tired back to the hotel and I had to pack the Brompton, put in the suitcase, get a subway, the train, go to the airport, things like that. So when I packed the whole thing, I realized that I've forgotten to take the hook out. Yes, it did break. That's all right, things happen. So let me show you. This arrived. Let's cut it with my beautiful scissors. And it's simple as this one, see? Not much to it, but it's higher than the original one. What I mean higher is actually slower than the original one. Let me show you. See, this is the original Brompton hook. This is the new one. Let me show you. When I put it here, it's gonna be a lot lower. It will make the wheel higher and the handlebar higher. So that's my main reason. This one, the original one, lasts longer because it's flexible, so it's harder to break. But this one, because it's slower, it's a lot easier to move my Brompton around. Let's check to see the difference. So this is the height with the original Brompton hook. Even with a special wheel, EasyWheel, a bigger EasyWheel, it's still very close to the ground. Let me show you the difference when we put the other one. Well, it's very simple. Just get Brompton tools and take this one out, this wrench out. That's the one that we use to take the wheel out. So let's take it out. Not the whole wheel, but just this part here. Okay, it's an unconventional frame, but it will be easier for me to show you. Look at it. You just open it. That's why we always tighten our bolts. Never let the mechanic do it, especially girls, because we're not so strong as the boys, So if you do it, you know that you're gonna take it out. Okay, so let's take it out. And it's interesting because you have to pay attention to one thing. This Aerofix, I think it's Aerofix. This ACOFix comes with a little thing here. So that means that you have to take both. Not just the hook, but also this part here. So you take both out. So simple. And you fix it right on the hole. And that's it. Oh, there's one catch, I remember. One catch is, let's see if I can do this one. I think I'll do it. Yeah, there's one problem, because you cannot use this wrench anymore, so you have to use the regular. So let's get another one. And you're gonna ask me, why are you doing this? Why are you putting a different one? It is better. I'm gonna show you. When I travel, I always carry this one as a backup. You know, it's some parts. Okay, I'll do it a video. Oh, that's neat. I'm gonna do a video about it. There's little things that we have to carry in our trip, you know, because if they do break and there's no Brompton dealer near you, you won't find it. Nobody, no bike store will carry them, and this is one of them. Just grab an open one and fix it. It's easy. Everybody has one of those. Okay. And fix it. No, wait, that you can take it out. Okay, and that's it. Easy, right? So let's check to see the difference between this one and the other one. If you're curious about the number, it's 15. A 15 will fit perfect here. Okay, very easy. Okay. And now for the main reason for me to change for this different hook. Look the height. It's amazing. It's a whole finger. Let me show you. See? You can pass a whole finger underneath. So there will be no problem to bang here and open when you're pushing your Brompton. And for me, this is very good. This is very important. See how much higher the wheel is? And voila! It's very simple. I hope you did like my Brompton upgrade. I really like it. It's very simple. I have to watch out. It does break if you leave in the bike when putting the luggage, because the bike move a lot. We always tighten it, put a Velcro on it, but you know, I like it because it goes up. The wheel, when folded, goes a little bit higher and it's tighter. The original hook is a little bit wobbly, so it moves a little bit. Those upgrades are very nice. They're very small ones, but they make your life easier. Like, I like this round one better than the original one, but that's just preference, you know. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of the channel yet, if you're not friend of the channel yet, please subscribe. And if, I know it's a lot of if, but I have to remind you things, you know. If you did like this tip, if it was very important to you, now YouTube start with the super thanks. Yes, you give a super thanks to the channel that you like and you like to support, and it's cool. It's so good. And Nose in it, thank you very much for your first super thanks. It was fantastic. I loved making the video and it was fabulous. Hope you like it. Oh, wait. Oh, there's another way. If there's something that you want to see, there's something that you have doubt on it, you want to learn, and I do know how to answer, because sometimes I don't, you know. Oh, I wish I could answer everything, but I'm not a mechanic, so I just like little things in my Brompton, and when I discover an easier way to do it, I like to share with you. Yes, it's nice. I like to share. I think that everything that we learn, we have to pass on, you know. That's how evolution goes. Well, see ya. Bye-bye.